Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck a
The bottle. Okay, you fill it up right to the third line, right there. And then get one piece of Kleenex. Leave it out. Get your baking soda, Jazz. Give it a quick shake so there's no lumps. You gotta watch not to put too much or else it'll explode in your hand. And flip it over like that, and then start to roll. And you need to use a water bottle. You can't use Gatorade bottles or anything like that. And they're not really that loud, but if they don't explode, leave them. Because if you try to open up the cap, got that, the babies. Tape it around maybe twice. And then when you're ready, go on the road, or when you're ready and just shake it. They last about a month. Something like that. Okay, when you add the vinegar in, and then you add babies. Put like a handful in. I don't trust that one to move it. So I'm just gonna put like an X at the top and tape. I'm still wearing my mask just in case.
Karen, why are you wearing a mask?
Because you can. My name's Ryan, Jack.
What?
Alright, now we're at the road. Start shaking it. Start shaking it until your water bottle goes flat. Here, and that's how flat it'll be, and it'll get like, so it's like a really hard. Sometimes they don't explode, sometimes they do. Oh my god, another dud.
You need to take off the tape.
You don't need to take off the tape, yeah? You have to like, sometimes untape it. Takes hard.
Base it off, Brian. When you're undoing the cap.
Sometimes you're gonna be on like that.
Like I said, Ryan.
Yeah,
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing.